this is Rishali from Risharaj classes. Today we are going to start with the chapter Playing with Numbers of Standard 8. The title itself is interesting, Playing with Numbers. Before I start the chapter, I would like to tell you one thing, that many students find the mathematics subjects very difficult or only the word mathematics scares them. But it's not like that. Actually, if you think in detail or deeply, you'll find that in mathematics, we don't have any lengthy lessons to learn. We don't have any answers to write. The only thing is you have to deal with the numbers and some geometrical figures. That's it. And the math subject is done. So, the first lesson, that is playing with numbers, will start now. We'll start with one concept of this chapter, that is divisibility test. Now, what is the divisibility test? Now, if I ask you whether 36 is divisible by 4 or no, yes or no, what we do here, we divide this 36 by 4, 4 nines are 36, remainder is 0. If your remainder is 0, we say 36 is divisible by 4. If I ask you whether 31 is divisible by 4 or no, let us divide 31 by 4, 4 sevens are 28, 31 minus 28, remainder is 3. If your remainder is not 0, we say 31 is not divisible by 4. So, the divisibility test means to check whether the number is completely divisible by the given number or no. If the remainder is 0, yes, the number is divisible. If the remainder is not 0, the number is not divisible. For here, to check this divisibility, we have some specific rules, or we can say some shortcuts for few numbers. So, we'll start with that now. If the numbers are small, you can directly divide and check whether the number is divisible or no. But for the higher numbers, it's going to be quite time consuming process to divide the number each and every time. So as I said, we have shortcuts for few numbers. First, whether the given number is divisible by 2 or no. It's a very simple thing. If the given number, if it ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, that means the digit in the units place, if it is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, the number is divisible by 2. Or we can say all the even numbers are divisible by 2. For example, 72. Yes, the digit in the units place is 2. It is divisible by 2. 1844. Units place is 4. Yes, the number is divisible by 2. No need to check by the actual division. If the number is 55,347, the units place is 7 here. It's odd number. This means the number is not divisible by 2. So this is how we check whether the given number is divisible by 2 or no. Now our next test is for 4. Whether to check whether the given number is divisible by 4 or no. So how to check this? Here you have to see only last 2 digits of the given number. Have a look at the last 2 digits of the given number. If this last 2 digits, if they are divisible by 4, or if the last 2 digits, if they are 0, 0, then the complete number is divisible by 4. Let us see example. Now if the number is 144, just have a look at this last 2 digits, 44. Yes, this is divisible by 4. That means 144 is divisible by 4. 4800. Here last 2 digits are 0, 0. That means yes, even this 4800 is divisible by 4. 9867. Last 2 digits, it is 67. 67 is not divisible by 4. This means 9867 is also not divisible by 4. So this is how, just by looking at the last two digits of the number, we come to know, we can check whether the given number is divisible by 4 or no. Let us come to the next test to check the number whether it is divisible by 3 or 9. For 3 and 9 there is same rule. What we have to do here, just we have to find the sum of the digits. Whatever number is given to you, you have to find the sum of the digit. If the sum of the digit, if it is completely divisible by 3, then the given number is divisible by 3. Similarly, if the sum of the digit, if it is divisible by 9, then the given number is divisible by 9. It's so simple. Let us see example. Now if the given number is 1224. Now instead of going for the actual division, whether the given number is divisible by 3 or 9, what we have to do here? 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. So sum of the digits is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. That means 1224 is divisible by 3. As this 9 is also divisible by 9, this means 1224 is divisible by 9 also. Let us see one more example. 168. Let us find some of the digits here. 1 plus 6 plus 8. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. Now here, sum of the digits is 15. 15 is divisible by 3. So here, this 15 is divisible, 168 is divisible by 3. But this 15, it is not divisible by 9. It is not divisible by 9. This means 168 is not divisible by 9. So, rule is same. Find the sum of the digits. If the sum of the digits, if it is divisible by 3, then the complete number is divisible by 3. If sum of the digit, if it is divisible by 9, then the complete number is divisible by 9. So, this is how we check whether the given number is divisible by 3 or 9. Now, the next is quite simple rule to check the number whether it is divisible by 5 or 10. If the number ends with 0 or 5, that means if the units place, if it is 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. And by 10, it's the simplest rule we can say. If the number ends with 0, that means if the units place is 0, the number is divisible by 10. So, just let's see example. 175, it's ending with 5, that means it is divisible by 5. 4890, units place is 0, it is divisible by 5. Similarly here, ending with 0. 4860, units place is 0, so the number is divisible by 10. So this is how we check whether the given number is divisible by 5 and 10. This is one important rule to check whether the number is divisible by 11. So how to check whether the given number is divisible by 11 or no? Here what we do, we find the sum of the alternate digits. Now what is the meaning of this? Suppose the given number, if it is 495, we have to check whether this number is divisible by 11 or no. We have to mark the alternate digits like this. This is one simple method which I tell my students. Just mark the alternate digits 4 and 5. Find the sum of this. It's 9. This is 9 itself. That means 9. We have to find the difference of this sum. Add the digits in the alternate places. Find the difference of this. If this difference is 0, or if we have this difference divisible by 11 or multiple of 11, then the given number is divisible by 11. I will show you one more example. Now here, to make this concept more clear, I have taken one higher number, 78,09,120. We have to check whether this number is divisible by 11 or no. If you go for actual division, it's going to be a little bit lengthy process. So here, as I said, we have to add the digits in the alternate places, or we can say the digits in the even place and odd place. That way also we can see. Straight away mark it like this. 7 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0. 7 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0. It's 8. 8 plus 9 plus 2. 8 plus 9 plus 2. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 2, 19. So here we have to find the difference. 19 minus 8, it is 11. That means it is multiple of 11. This means this given number is divisible by 11. So this is just how, by the simple method, or this is a simple divisibility test to check whether the number is divisible by 11 or no. Here I would like to tell you one important note regarding this divisibility test. Any two numbers, suppose for example A and B, if any two numbers A and B, if they are divisible by any number m, then A plus B, A minus B and AB are also divisible by m. Let me make this thing clear by taking one example. Now what I mean to say here is, here 15 is divisible by 3. 9, even this is divisible by 3. So our A and B are 15 here and m is 3. 15 and 9 are divisible by 3. So what this statement says, A plus B, 15 plus 9, 24. So 24 is divisible by 3. A minus B, 15 minus 9, 6. Yes, even this is divisible by 3. And AB, that means 15 into 9, 135. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. Sum of the digits is divisible by 3. That means the complete number is divisible by 3. So even this is divisible by 3. So this is the meaning of statement. If the two numbers, if they are divisible by any number, then the sum of those numbers, difference of those numbers and product of those numbers are also divisible by that same number. So I think with this example, even this point is clear to you. So in our next video, we'll come with a few more interesting aspects of this chapter, that is playing with numbers. So for that, be in touch with our YouTube channel, and what you have to do for that, you have to subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching this video.